Good day everyone. Today, let me guide you step by step process of acquiring your dream home using bank financing through trusted banks like BDO, BPI, RCBC, Metrobank, PNB, and other major financial institutions. Many people believe that owning a house through bank financing is difficult or only for the wealthy. But the truth is, with proper guidance, preparation, and the right financing partners, your dream home can become a reality. First step is understanding your financial capacity. Very important po na alam natin kung magkano ang comfortable na monthly payment based on your income and expenses. Hindi po dapat pinipilit ang budget. Dapat sustainable and peaceful for the family. Second, choose the right property, whether house and lot, townhouse, condominium, or vacant lot. Ang importante ay pasok ito sa needs, lifestyle, at long-term goals nyo. Third is the bank pre-approval. Dito po chine-check ng bank ang inyong income, employment, or business stability at credit standing para malaman kung magkano ang possible loan amount na pwede ma-approve. Next is submission of requirements such as valid ID, proof of income, bank statement, and other supporting documents required by the bank. After that, the bank will conduct property appraisal and evaluation to ensure the quality ng property under the financing guidelines. Kapag approve na ang loan, the bank will issue the loan offers and explain the terms and conditions including interest rate, loan term, monthly amortization, other charges and fees. Then, pipirmahan na ang loan document and the loan proceeds will be released to the seller or developer. Finally, congratulations! You are now ready to turn over and move in sa inyong bagong tahanan. It's your lady broker. My role is not simply to sell properties. I am here to guide you honestly, help you understand your options, and assist you in making informed and confident decision for your future. Because buying home is not just a transaction. It is building dreams, security, and a better future for your family. Thank you and God bless to everyone.